In this video, I'll show you 4 quick and easy healthy summer desserts, 2 of which are keto friendly if you are ketofied. I mean, if you're on a keto diet. So keep watching. Welcome back to my channel, beautiful people. So today I'm excited to share with you this yummy, delicious, low-carb summer dessert. You would need the following ingredients to do this. To get started, we will prepare our base cream using 750 grams of yogurt. I will be using Greek yogurt, 0 sugar, as well as some cream cheese. For 750 grams of yogurt, you will use 3 tablespoons of cream cheese. And also, I will be using erythritol, which is a sweetener, as I will not be using any sugars. Blend all 3 ingredients together. I am using a blender in this instance, but you can also use a food processor, as that will make it much easier. On a side note, you could also use stevia or monk fruit as sugar replacement in place of erythritol. Blend for at least 2 to 3 minutes or until there are no more lumps in your mixture. Because this has a thick consistency, especially from the cream cheese, you may want to use a spoon to stir from time to time as you blend them together. The end result should be a very smooth and thick consistency, as you can see. Now that we are done with our cream base, let's go ahead and prep our fruits. You could use any fruit of your choosing, that is your prerogative. For this video, I will be using pineapple, peach, kiwi, grapes, blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, and strawberries. Yeah, all the berries, cause I love berries. Now that everything is set, let's go ahead and layer our dessert. For our kiwi grapes granola crumble, I will be using cream, granola, mixed nuts, whipped cream, kiwi, and grapes. Start off with the cream base and then add a layer of granola and then more cream and another layer of mixed nuts. Then top it up with some more cream. You can then add your whipped cream and then your fruit for topping. And there we have our kiwi grape granola crumble. We will repeat the same process with the strawberry coconut crumble. This is very keto friendly as it is without the granola. Everything else is keto compliant. This is my favorite go-to keto dessert. So if you're on a keto diet, this is a must try. For the last 2 options, we will use the same layering process using different combinations. Watch as I do this. it for our perfect low carb / keto desserts. This would definitely satisfy your sweet tooth cravings without any added sugars. Let me know in the comment section what your favorite summer dessert is and also if you will be trying this sometime. Enjoy!
Oh my god, I get it now. You get what? You know how when things heat up, they expand? I'm not fat, I'm hot. Anyways, thank you so much again for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button as well as turn on the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. In the meantime, always remember to be your fun self no matter what life throws at you.